The Scottish Government has been ordered to publish legal advice it has received about a second independence referendum. The Scottish Information Commissioner said disclosing the advice would significantly enhance public debate on this issue. Our political editor, Colin Mackay, joins us now. So, Colin, where has this come from?
Well, the Scotsman newspaper made this Freedom of Information request over a year ago now, requesting the publication of the legal advice on the possibility of a second independence referendum. The government refused that. Governments of all parliaments really don't like publishing their legal advice. They don't even like admitting that they've sought legal advice. So they said no at that point. But the Scottish Information Commissioner, Darren Fitzhenry, said that the release of legal advice in the Alex Salmon case effectively created a precedence, that it changed that convention. And ministers now have, he says, until the 10th of June to publish it. But when they do, it will be heavily redacted. They won't publish the whole thing. We won't get to see, certainly, the whole picture. There'll be big black blocks throughout this. But the First Minister wants to hold another referendum, she says, repeatedly next year. To do that, she's got to bring a bill to Parliament. Now, that hasn't happened yet. In fact, as far as I'm aware, it hasn't even gone to the Scottish Cabinet yet. But when it does get through that, if it passes the scrutiny of the government's lawyers, if it passes then the scrutiny of the Parliament's lawyers, if it passes through the Parliament, as you would expect it to do with an SNP Green majority, then it faces its biggest legal challenge, because there will be a legal challenge in the Supreme Court.
Colin, at the Scottish Parliament, thank you.